Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. I have a checklist for you today that will help you set up your business Facebook page for success. Whether you're refining an existing page or starting a new one, if you're going to go through the effort of creating a business page, and I highly recommend that you do, you may as well optimize it for SEO and streamline it to connect with potential clients. As this is a checklist, you may want to take notes or come back and listen again later, but let's jump in. Number one, when you go to create your page, you're going to be prompted for your name. Now, this is the name of your page. This is the bold text that someone will see first when they come to your page, and it's also seen at the top of all your posts in someone's feed. So, make yourself easy to find. If you own a team, a group, a company, and 80% of your marketing is for that entity, that should be your page name. However, if you're an individual agent or on someone else's team, verify with your team leader, but examples might include Maggie Smith, the Smith Group, Maggie Smith, Keller Williams Elite, Maggie Smith, Real Estate, or some variation of these. Keep in mind that you can easily change your page name by requesting it from Facebook. Number two, your username. This becomes part of your page's URL. When you send someone a link to like or follow, it shows there. And this makes your page easy to find through the internal Facebook search. So try something simple like Maggie Smith Realtor, so that if you change your page name, the username still makes sense. For example, if you change your page name because you decided to put Maggie Smith Keller Williams Elite, and then you change and go to Compass, make sure that your username doesn't have to change with it. You can change your page name, but leave your username the same and make sure it makes sense. Number three is your description. This is where you tell people who you help. You can use a similar statement to the one I explained last week in the Instagram episode. So go back and listen to that. I also recommend that you disclose your brokerage here if you haven't already done it in one of your names. Now, all three of these items are at the top when you go to edit page info. So item number 4 on your checklist is fill out the rest of the page information completely. It's fairly self-explanatory, but if you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Number 5 is the services tab. Here you will likely create and describe different consultations that you offer, unless of course you have something that you charge for, and of course then you can put the price. Anything that is unique to your business and your expertise is a plus. For example, relocation, VA specialist, downsizing, etc. Number 6 is the reviews tab. So first you want to invite all your Facebook friends, literally all of them. Now, not everyone will support you, but that's okay. It's kind of a good thing to know. Then you want to ask your current and past clients to write you a review, and you can make it easy for them by just sending them a link to the actual reviews page. Finally, you want to make it easy for people you already know to find you. And 2 ways to facilitate this are, number 1, on your personal Facebook page, make sure that you put your business page as the place that you are currently working by editing within your personal bio. Number 2, link your Instagram page, the one that you're using for business purposes, to your business Facebook page. And this is easily done within the Instagram app and also in the edit page info option on your page at the bottom. Now, this is certainly not an exhaustive list of everything you can do with your business page. These are just the fundamentals, the bare minimum, if you will, to get your page on the right track. Good luck. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.